Hey, how's it going? It's me, George Ortega with Aero Detailing. This is a 2020 Dodge Ram. If your truck doesn't look this good, you gotta call us. We did a paint correction job, we did ceramic coating, we did window tinting, and we did some wheel repair. I'm gonna be posting some videos of the before. We even did the ceramic coating on the top cover right here. So, yeah. If you feel, or if you're not happy with your truck anymore and you feel like it needs something new, maybe a good detail job, paint correction, ceramic coating will do. And we do everything here. We do vinyl wrap, clear bra, window tint, ceramic coating, paint correction, everything. All right, have a good day. Bye.